jerk. You're just a shit jerk, dick, fucker. You're a shit jerk, dick, fucker, assholer. And you all can just go fuck yourselves.
Things are about to get ugly here, folks.
Kinda late for a charity drop-off, isn't it, boys?
Seeing a living legend in action. It's almost too awful to watch.
Move it!
We may have a knockout in record time. I don't think this one's getting up again.
You're telegraphing. You gotta center yourself.
Center myself. Got it. You're good.
You should see me when I'm trying.
I'd like that. In fact, I could use your help on something. But the leak can't know. I'll explain once we're on the surface.
I don't know. Sounds fishy.
I promise. It's for a good cause. How about a wager? If I can get out of this hold, you help me.
Deal.
I'll drive. Arrow! What do you think you're doing?
And here I heard you were some kind of brilliant fighter.
You heard right. Whoops.
John, get us out of here! Now!
Didn't anyone ever tell you, Mandragora? No one messes with the Justice League.
Mandragora! I've got special arrows too. The pointy kind that'll go right through you. Put her down, now.
Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide.
Need a hand, Canary?
Not from you.
Suit yourself. I've never seen you so sloppy. Talk to me.
You've got worse than that coming.
Better call the League in on it. Terrific.
What's going?
No, little bird.
Watchtower. What? Let me try. Cover your ears.
Control center's gotta be up there. Hang on.
I should have taken you down last time. My mistake.
In another 30 seconds, your brains will be so scrambled I'll be able to serve them up with bacon.